Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the motion tracking feature on CapCut PC. So let's begin. So here we are. And the first thing that you would need to do is to import your clip into your timeline. So for this example, I'll be using this clip right here in the motion tracking. And from here, I want to add text because I want the text to follow this person. So I'll be using the text. So I'm going to add a text right here on the text one. And I'm going to drag this right here into the timeline. And I'm going to extend this right here, so that it would follow the person all the way through. And from here, I want to go for this person, just like that, just as simple as that. And I'm going to go and customize this so that you can see it easily, just like that. So now, what I'm going to do to track this is select the text that I want to follow on the subject. And from here, click on tracking and click on motion tracking. And then from here, you would see a box pop up right here, this yellow box. And you want to make sure that you hit the subject with that. So we go into tracking again, motion tracking, and see the box right here. Wait, I'm kind of right here, motion tracking, and I'm just gonna go and remove the text right here. So I'm gonna customize this box right here. You want to make sure that it hits your subject right here. So I want this to follow the head of the subject. And I'm going to go and put this right here and to right here is just above her head, just like that. And yeah, just like. And yeah, I think that's good now. And once you are done customizing the box and your text, you want to go, into tracking again and click on start right here, click start. And now it's going to start and tracking the clip right here. As you can see, the text is now following the person, just as easy as that. And now when we play this video, it now looks like this. And let's play it again. It now looks like this. And as you can see, CapCut really does a great job right here, considering that you don't have to do any keyframing into this tracking effect right here. So yeah, this is basically how you can do your motion tracking in CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.